Baby things.
Pacifier.
Pacifier.
The man pops a pacifier into the crying baby's mouth.
Diaper.
Diaper. Diaper.
The baby needs a new diaper now.
Stroller.
Stroller.
Do you like to go out in a stroller? Crib.
Crib. What is a crib? It is a small bed for a baby to sleep in. Pacifier.
Pacifier. Diaper.
Diaper. Stroller.
Stroller.
Crib.
Crib. O. Of. By. O.
Of.
By. Us.
Or.
If.
Actions.
Play.
Play. Play.
Playing with friends is really joyful. Stand.
Stand. Stand.
The little girl stands beneath a colorful umbrella.
Crawl.
Crawl. Crawl. How far can you crawl?
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Are you sitting now?
Play.
Play. Stand.
Stand.
Crawl.
Crawl.
Sit.
Sit.
B. B. B.
Bell. Bell.
B.
B. B.
B.
Boy. Boy.
Words start with B.
B.
Bird. Bike.
Ball. Bell. Bowl.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job. Stroller. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job. Diaper. Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Pacifier. Which one is?
Crawl. That is right. Crawl.
Which one is?
Sit.
Awesome!
Sit. Can you point to stand? Awesome! Stand.
Which one is us?
You did it!
Can you point to?
O.
Fantastic!
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.